They're there day in, day out, protecting and serving us and keeping our community safe.
I love my job. I know it's a cliche, but when a student comes back and tells you, you did this to help me, or something you taught me has helped me tremendously, there is no price for that.
It was something that I'd never have experienced or ever want to experience again. It was, for lack of a better term, surreal.
Today we're surprising Jack and Jackie Cook. They're just the kind of people who do anything and everything they can to help others, whether in their community or with their friends, with their families. Let's go let them know they're being rescued.
So from the very first moment I met Jack, I knew that he was super passionate about firefighting and caring for people, so much so that he does it in his volunteer work.
Well, I've been a volunteer in Rockville Center for 11 years. I think that volunteering and working with the community is obviously a major part of my life and Jackie's life.
The biggest challenge we're facing with the house is the kitchen.
Right now, we definitely don't have the time to do the kitchen over.
We definitely wouldn't have the financial ability to do it anytime soon.
Jack is a man after my own heart. He's pretty handy, he's done a lot of the projects on his own home, but he's always rushing off to rescue someone else. Well, now, I'm here to rescue him.
Hi, George.
Hey, Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Oh, I'll take a big Jack hug any day.
Yeah.
Well, you guys are in for a real treat. I can tell you this is one of the best transformations we've done on George Rescue, and all we do is good transformations. So, but instead of listening to me talk about it, what do you say? Shall we go see it?
Let's go.
All right, follow me. All right, Jackie, Jack, welcome home.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Whoa.
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Our first reaction when we came into the home was unbelievable. I mean, the transformation is insane.
This is genius. Now both of us fit. Look how great.
We fit.
We can pass each other. This is
See you later.
great.
When we walked in, it was just overwhelming. We didn't know where to look first. Everything was new and beautiful. So
And
many
it's
details,
amazing.
yeah, that we couldn't just catch all at once.
I can't believe we live here. This doesn't look like the house we bought.
I told you, all right? Did I tell you?
Yeah.
Beautiful and
How about
amazing.
this? There used to be a wall here.
I
Maybe you
can't
didn't realize
believe
that.
This is amazing, really.
I've been teaching high school English at Floral Park Memorial for 29 years. What's the strange word, Meg? Right, I love my job. I know it's a cliche, but when a student comes back and tells you, you did this to help me, or something you taught me has helped me tremendously, there is no price for that. That's always very inspiring to me. And now that my son, Joseph, is in school, I see the power of a good teacher.
Denise is a selfless single mother who adopted her son Joey in 2010. Because of Joey's unique developmental needs, some parts of his house can be considered hazardous, namely his backyard. Hey, Mr. Joey, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good.
Yeah?
I don't have a house.
Whose house is this?
My house.
It's right, it's your house. Let's do this. So Denise,
ready?
I just let Joey in on a little secret.
Okay.
You just get up there and take care of Joey's room. We also did your room.
Oh my God.
And Joey and I decided that we want to show you your room first.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Oh my God.
Walking into my bedroom for the very first time, the first thing I saw was a chandelier, which was beyond beautiful.
No way! Oh my God! There's no...
And then the walk-in closet. That part of the room I can't even process right now.
I can't believe that! Oh,
It's brand spanking new!
I was relaxed. I felt the space was so calming, and the colors.
I can't believe it. It's beautiful.
It was more beautiful than I imagined.
Oh my God! Look at the mat chairs, Joe! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Have at it, Joe.
Beautiful. Joseph, look at this.
Dennis Cosgrove is a former Marine, a New York Police Department detective. The man has served his country and now serves his community. Maggie Cosgrove is Dennis's wife, who unfortunately passed away during childbirth and has left Dennis to raise their son Declan on his own.
After Megan passed, I had a hard time being in the house, and it's still very hard to be in the house. You know, you turn a corner and you think of a time where the two of you bumped into each other, or just you picture her walking down the stairs. I did want to move initially, but then you start to think and you want to stay the course that you had set up as far as what you were going to do as a family, and I have to do it because it was what she wanted, it was what we wanted, and I just try and continue that way.
Dennis, Declan family, welcome back.
Hi, how are you, George?
I'm doing great. Good to see you, bud. How you doing? Follow me. Head on down.
Oh, really unbelievable. Look at this, bud. Ooh, a little television. Oh,
Wow,
God.
Look at this, huh?
When we used to walk down the stairs, it was just a dungy, cold, dirty basement. Now it feels like you can hang out down here. It's very warm.
Oh, that's awesome.
When Declan came down to the basement, he opened up his eyes, he was smiling, he was happy.
You see, bud? You see, you happy? The most amazing thing about the basement, I think, was when I coming down and seeing the house that was built for him inside of the basement, I think is incredible. It's like his own little space within his space. It's really unbelievable.
I think Dennis and Declan are gonna have a great time down here. It's a nice, happy thing that's happened and it's finished. I definitely think Dennis is very happy.
Today I'm off to Spark Elementary. This school strives to give each student a personal, meaningful, and inspiring educational experience. It has become a haven for creative children and those with sensitive and special needs. The fact is, Spark Elementary needs our help. They're not big enough to support students after 5th grade. And if we can just figure out a way to maximize the potential in that building, then we can really make an impact on their education for generations to come.
Sure. Yay.
So are you ready?
Thank you. Yes, thank you so
Let's
much.
do this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look, a scoreboard. Look at these leveled books. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Oh my, look, a bell. Oh my gosh. I never expected it to be this incredible. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
like this, so you could do word work on here. This is my dream come true. Oh my gosh! Look at these sheets. Oh my gosh, Marianne. Look at this. Marianne, they hung up plants in here.
Little succulent baby.
The design was so beautiful, and to have all those special seatings and different flexible seating for the kids.
There was detail there.
Well, how could it get any better than this? I don't know. Can it get any better? I don't know. Oh my God. Oh my God, Marianne, no.
Wow.
Oh gosh, look at this. Oh my God,
This is gorgeous.
Oh my, look at the swings, Mia.
Every room I walked in, I kind of had a feeling of this is beautiful and inspiring. But it wasn't until I got to the third room that it really came together for me. This is
Marianne, this is incredible. They are gonna love this. Oh my, I can't wait to see their expressions.
Amazing.
COVID-19 has affected all of us, and it has deeply impacted our nation. North Shore University Hospital played a critical role in the epicenter's early fight. The staff's togetherness and toughness helped them navigate chaos and uncertainty. But the pandemic's emotional toll is still being felt.
Our amazing team wanted to create an environment that felt like outside of the hospital. I believe this will get us to that level. And when you don't feel like you're in the hospital, you're gonna let go and you're gonna let all that emotional negative energy go.
A first responder's mental health is often overlooked, but the Lavender Lounge does what it can to make it a priority. The staff puts the current space to great use, but I want to take it to the next level and give back to those who give so much each and every day. What Team Lavender does is so important. When I heard about it, I knew this was something that I firmly believed in and I backed, and I was just excited to be able to do something small for so much that you guys have done for so many. So without further ado, you guys want to see it? Yeah! You guys ready to see it, Team Lavender? All right. Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
You can just kick on back and the legs come up on that chair. Just lean back. There you are. Nap time.
Oh, this is incredible.
That particular wall has come a really long way. I mean, that was like anger. We were just like throwing paint at that wall to, to let it all out, to get our emotions out. Now, yeah, there's still bad stuff going on, but you're not going in there angry anymore. You're going in there and then you can just relax.
This is just magnificent. It's outrageous.
I was in complete shock seeing how gorgeous the space was. So really, I was truly speechless. I'm someone who always has something to say, and I'm awestruck by the entire room.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.